MF Travel presents the Trump International Hotel.
We're making America great again. We're at Trump Hotel 2326. Let's go check it out. This is our crib for Valentine's Day weekend, President's Day. First up, we'll go look at the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Pretty nice. This is our dining room area. This is a one-bedroom suite. We're making America great again. I hope he does. Trump Hotel. This is the living room. This is the first bathroom. For a one-bedroom suite, it has two bathrooms. This is the shower. Look at that. It's pretty big. Now let's walk on over to the living room area. Oh, look, I saw a koala.
Hi, welcome to Trump Hotel. Towards my left, you can see out the window, there's the sphere over there.
Yeah.
It looks so cool. I wonder what they're going to play next.
It's a strip view. We'll see it in the morning because right now there's a lot of light noise, but we do have a TV here. I think there's a pull-out bed in there. TV's huge for entertainment. Oh, look at that split. Okay. Hi. Let's go check out the bedroom. King size, one bedroom suite. Let's go over to this huge bathroom. I was super surprised with this one.
Me too.
Like huge.
This bathtub isn't even a bathtub, it's a full-on jacuzzi.
Are there no lights over here on the shower? There's two showers.
Yeah, there's two showers, so that way you don't have to fight over it. You
Wow.
don't have to fight over the showers
That's super
anymore.
cool. There's two showers.
See?
I didn't even know that. Oh no, this is not a shower. It's surprise.
That's a toilet.
I thought it was two showers. But look at this mirror. Man.
Look at this and jump.
Check yourself out here. Double check
Two
your.
sinks.
Yeah. Which one is this one? Oh,
Washer and dryer, or just one?
just washer. Oh, it's like 2 in 1.
Oh, it's a hybrid. Okay.
Yeah. So this is the bed. Pretty nice bed.
It's a very
Super comfy.
and very jumpable.
Damn, look at this.
Very jumpable.
Strip view right in front of Treasure Island and the sphere right there. You can see it.
As you can tell, we're really showing off the sphere.
Very nice. Okay, well, that's pretty much it. Let us know if you have any questions. Comment
Subscribe.
down below, subscribe, like, click that notification bell.
Yes. Ding.
See you later. Peace out.
Bye.